elevated to near critical fire weather conditions this afternoon. Strong south winds, gusting 30 to 35 miles per hour, warm afternoon temperatures, and relative humidity values between 30 and 40% will result in fire weather conditions just below red flag criteria. Landowners and key decision makers should be aware that elevated to near critical fire weather conditions are expected this afternoon. The following is a wind advisory for the following county: Douglas, Kansas. South winds 25 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include portions of east central, north central, and northeast Kansas. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 10 a.m. this morning to 7 p.m. this evening. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Driving high-profile vehicles on east to west roads will be difficult. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Repeating, a wind advisory has been issued from 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. for the following county: Douglas, Kansas.